Welcome, let me say OPPO Reno 5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And this process, I believe, does remove a screen lock, so I do have one set, but I guess we'll see. So to get started, let's power it off by holding the power key. Slide down, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. So let's do that right now, power, volume down. And once you see the OPPO logo, let go after like 4 seconds or so and wait for it to boot into the recovery mode. So as you can see, before we enter recovery mode, we do have the language selection. So simply tap on the language that you wish to use. For me, it's going to be obviously English. And you should then be in the recovery mode. So in here, again, simply tap on the wipe data. And from here, you can get confused, which would be totally acceptable because we have wipe data and factory data, or format data, my bad. Now, the reason why I'm saying we can get confused is because wipe data doesn't actually wipe data, which defeats the name of it. So when you're trying to remove everything from your device, make sure you don't tap on the first one, because as you can see, this one will retain contacts, messages, and photos, which makes this wipe data completely and utterly useless. So from here, select format data instead, and once you do, as you can see, it will give you some kind of random verification code, which is provided right here, so you know what to type in. And from there, once you type it in, it will then pop up with this message. Now, the code that we just seen right here will be random every time, and for you it's most certainly different than it was for me. From there, once you tap on the format, it will begin the process, and this takes only like several seconds. Once it's finished, we get another pop-up to reboot the device. There we go, wipe successful, and once you click on OK, it automatically reboots the device. Now, I'll mention this right away. The process is still not finished. It is continuing right now in the background without your knowledge. So just give it some time. It will take it several minutes to complete it. And once it has, you should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once the setup screen is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.